Welcome to qnawire.
In this problem, let us first draw the velocity diagram for the link AC. So it looks like this, which I am drawing here. Just look at it carefully. After that, I will simplify the problem further. So I just draw the rough diagram here. Here it is VC. Here it is VA by C. Here it is VA. This angle is of 30 degree and this angle is of 60 degree. So here the angle is alpha. Here the angle is alpha. Now I can write the expression as VC by sine 30 degree is equal to VA by sine 180 degree minus 30 degree plus 90 degree plus alpha. So on further simplification, you can write the expression as or VC is equal to VA by 2 sine 60 degree minus alpha. Let it be equation number 1. Now drawing the velocity link, drawing the velocity triangle for the link BC. So this diagram looks like this, which I am drawing here. Just look at it carefully. After that, I will simplify the problem further. So this is the diagram which I am drawing here. Now here it is VC and here it is VB by C. Here it is VB. Here this angle is of 30 degree. Here this angle is of 90 degree minus alpha, 90 degree minus alpha, and here this angle is alpha. Here this angle is alpha. Now I can write the expression as VC by sine 30 degree is equal to VB by sine 180 degree minus 90 degree minus alpha plus 30 degree. So on further simplification, you will get the expression for VC as VB by 2 sine 60 degree plus alpha. Let it be equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, I can write the expression as or VA by 2 sine VA by 2 sine 60 degree minus alpha is equal to VB by 2 sine 60 degree plus alpha. Now the next expression will become or 2 by sine 60 degree minus alpha is equal to 3 by sine 60 degree plus alpha, which on further simplification you will get the expression as on simplification you get the value of tan alpha as sine 60 degree by 5 cos 60 degree. Alpha is equal to tan inverse 0.3464, that is equal to 19.199, 19.11. Now I can calculate the value of VC using the equation 1. Using equation 1, I can write the expression as 2VC is equal to VA by sine 60 degree minus alpha, or 2VC is equal to 2 by sine 60 degree minus 19.11 degree. Finally, you will get the expression for VC as VC is equal to 3.056 by 2, that is equal to 1.528 meter per second as the magnitude of velocity at point C.